They are grouped on the basis of a particular characteristic or trait. Tippett table refers to as blank. Table of random digits. The table used in sampling methods. The table used in statistical investigations. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Explanation: Tippett table was first published by LHC Tippett in 1927. In order to pursue the research, which of the following is priorly required? Developing a research design. Formulating a research question. Deciding about the data analysis procedure. Formulating a research hypothesis. Answer B. Formulating a research question. Explanation: Before starting with research, it is necessary to have a research question or a topic because once the problem is identified, then we can decide the research design. The format of thesis writing is the same as in writing of seminar representation, preparation of research paper article, a research dissertation, presenting a workshop conference paper. Answer C. A research dissertation. Explanation: The format of thesis writing is similar to that of a research dissertation, or we can simply say that dissertation is another word for a thesis. Which one among the following statements is false in the context of participatory research? It recognizes knowledge is power. It is a collective process of inquiry. It emphasizes people as experts. Its sole purpose is the production of knowledge. Answer D. Its sole purpose is the production of knowledge. Explanation: Participatory action research is a kind of research that stresses participation in action. Which one among the following statement is true in the context of the testing of hypotheses? It is only the alternative hypotheses that can be tested. It is only the null hypotheses that can be tested. Both the alternative and the null hypotheses can be tested. Both the alternative and the null hypotheses cannot be tested. Answer B. It is only the null hypothesis that can be tested. Explanation: Hypothesis testing evaluates its plausibility by using sample data. What are the conditions in which type 1 error occurs? The null hypotheses get accepted even if it is false. The null hypotheses get rejected even if it is true. Both the null hypotheses as well as alternative hypotheses are rejected. None of the above. Answer B. The null hypotheses get rejected even if it is true. Explanation: The type 1 error can be defined as the first kind of error. Research and development become the index of development of the country. Which of the following reasons are true with regards to this statement? R&D targets human development. R&D can enhance people's standard of living in the country. R&D reflects the actual economic and social conditions being prevailed in the country. All the above. Answer D. All of the above. Explanation: No explanation. What does the longitudinal research approach actually deal with? Long-term research, short-term research, horizontal research. None of the above. Answer A. Long-term research. Explanation: In general, the longitudinal approach is long-term research in which the researchers keep on examining similar individuals to detect if any change has occurred over a while. What do you understand by the term Anusandhan? Goal-oriented. Following an aim. Attaining an aim. Praying to achieve an aim. Answer B. Following an aim. Explanation: No explanation. Evaluation research is concerned with blank. How well are we doing? Why are we doing? What are we doing? None of the above. Answer A. How well are we doing? Explanation: Instead of focusing on the process, the evaluation research measures the consequences of the process. For example, if the objectives are which of the following does not correspond to characteristics of research? A. Met or not. Research is not passive. Research is systematic. Research is not a problem-oriented. Research is not a process. Answer D. Research is not a process. Explanation: Research is an inspired and systematic work that is undertaken by the researchers to intensify expertise. Which of the following options are the main tasks of research in modern society? To learn new things. To keep pace with the advancement in knowledge. To systematically examine and critically analyze the investigations, sources with the objective. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Explanation: Research is an inspired and systematic work that is undertaken by the researchers to intensify expertise. What is the main aim of interdisciplinary research? To oversimplify the problem of research. To bring out the holistic approach to research. To create a new trend in research methodology. To reduce the emphasis on a single subject in the research domain. Answer B. To bring out the holistic approach to research. Explanation: particularly in interdisciplinary research, it combines two or more hypothetical disciplines into one activity. The main aim of the scientific method in the research field is to blank. Improve data interpretation. Confirm triangulation. Introduce new variables. Eliminate spurious relations. Answer D. Eliminate spurious relations. Explanation: scientific research aims to build knowledge by hypothesizing new theories and discovering laws. A researcher is interested in studying the prospects of a particular political party in an urban area. So, what tool should he prefer for the study? Rating scale, interview, questionnaire, schedule. Answer C. Questionnaire. Explanation: since it is an urban area, so there is a probability of literacy amongst a greater number of people. Also, there would be numerous questions over the ruling period of a political party, which cannot be simply answered by rating. The rating can only be considered if any political party has done some work, which is why the questionnaire is used. The conclusions, findings of which type of research cannot be generalized to other situations. Casual comparative research, historical research, descriptive research, experimental research. Answer B. Historical research. Explanation: one cannot generalize historical research in the USA, which has been done in India. How to judge the depth of any research? By research title, by research duration, by research objectives, by total expenditure on research. Answer C. By research objectives. Explanation: research objectives concisely demonstrate what we are trying to achieve through the research. Who can successfully conduct research? Someone who is a hard worker, possesses post graduation degree, has studied research methodology, possesses thinking and reasoning ability. Answer C. Has studied research methodology. Explanation: anyone who has studied the research methodology can undergo the research. Which of the following is not the method of research? Survey, historical, observation, philosophical. Answer C. Observation. Explanation: mainly the research method comprises strategies, processes, or techniques that are being utilized to collect the data or evidence so as to reveal new information or create a better understanding of a topic. A research problem is feasible only when it has utility and relevance. It is new and adds something to knowledge. It is researchable. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Explanation: a research problem can be defined as a statement about the area of interest, a condition that is required to be improved, a difficulty that has to be eradicated, or any disquieting question existing in scholarly literature, in theory, or in practice that points to be solved. Circle graphs are used to show how is one part related to other parts, how various sections share in the whole, how is one whole related to another whole, how are various parts related to the whole. Answer D. How are various parts related to the whole? Explanation: a circle graph helps in visualizing information as well as the data. Authenticity of a research finding is its validity, objectivity, originality. All of the above. Answer B. Objectivity. Which one is called non probability sampling? Quota sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling, stratified random sampling. Answer A. Quota sampling. Explanation: in non probability sampling, all the members do not get an equal opportunity to participate in the study. What does a good thesis involve? A. Reducing punctuations as well as grammatical errors to minimalist. B. Correct reference citations. C. Consistency in the way of thesis writing. D. Well defined abstract. Select the answers from the codes given below. B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. A, B, and C. A, B, and D. Answer B. A, B, C, and D. Which one among the following statements is correct in context to research? A. Research refers to a series of systematic activity or activities undertaken to find out the solution to a problem. B. It is a systematic, logical and unbiased process wherein verification of hypotheses, data analysis, interpretation and formation of principles can be done. C. It is an intellectual inquiry or quest towards truth. D. It enhances knowledge. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A, B, C and D. A, B and C. B, C and D. A, C and D. Answer A, B, C and D. Explanation: all of the above. On what basis did Jean Piaget give his theory of cognitive development of humans? Evaluation research, fundamental research, applied research, action research. Answer B. Fundamental research. Explanation: Jean Piaget, in his cognitive developmental theory, proposed the idea that children can actively construct knowledge simply by exploring and manipulating the world around them. What are the core elements of a dissertation? Introduction, data collection, data analysis, conclusions and recommendations. Executive summary, literature review, data gathered, conclusions, bibliography. Research plan, research data, analysis, references. Introduction, literature review, research methodology, results, discussions and conclusions. Answer D. Introduction, literature review, research methodology, results, discussions and conclusions. Explanation: the core elements of the dissertation are as follows. Introduction, literature review, research methodology, results, discussions and conclusions. Sampling cases can be defined as sampling using a sampling frame, identifying people who are suitable for research. Literally, the researcher's brief case. A sampling of people, newspapers, television programs, etc. Answer D. A sampling of people, newspapers, television programs, etc. Explanation: in general, sampling in case study research involves decisions made by the researchers regarding the strategies of sampling, the number of case studies, and the definition of the unit of analysis.